You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. My name's Paul. If this is your first time joining us, I just want to say welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Promise you won't be disappointed. We have tons of binge-worthy content for you guys, more new content on the way. And if you're a returning viewer and you're already subscribed, I want to say thank you. We do it for y'all. We appreciate you guys. But today we got some more dad shoes, some more new old shoes. We got the New Balance 993s. Finally, I have a pair of 993s in hand. Super juiced. Gonna let you guys know why they're new and old at the same time momentarily. But if you want to be notified every time we drop new videos, go ahead and hit the bell button below and they'll send you a push notification. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, New Balance 993s, more dad shoes. Let's get it. Today we're reviewing the New Balance 993s over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. If you didn't know, we're huge fans of the 990 series. We previously reviewed a couple pairs for you guys. You can check them out right here. The 993s originally released back in 2008, combining elements from the 991 and the 992 with a more advanced cushioning system to give you comfort for miles. This was a very durable, high mileage trainer. The 993s aren't as easily available as the standard 990s. Some sites do regularly stock them, but at a price point of like $150 to $175. Personally, I'm not trying to pay that much, especially because I've been having such good luck finding New Balances at under $100. If I'm patient and persistent enough, the pair that I want is gonna pop up somewhere at a good price point. These specifically popped up the other night on eBay. I got a push notification. The seller had a pair of 993s, dead stock with no box, size 9.5 for like 60 bucks. So no brainer, pulled the trigger, copped them, he shipped them, got them here today, ready to review for you guys. And the reason why I said they were new old shoes is because I believe this is new old stock as he listed in the description. These might be from like 2012, 2013 with some oxidization. I like my shoes looking a little vintage, a little old, a little yellow. The 990s, we love them. The 993s, this is my first pair. Hopefully they're as comfortable as the 990s, if not more comfortable. But let's go ahead and take a look at the shoes. New Balance 993, made in the USA. Made in the USA. Yeah, beautiful sneaker right here. A little bit more bulkier than the 990s. And like I said, it was new old stock, so there is some oxidization right here on this clear tab, which is supposed to be clear, but it's a little bit of yellow. And this is just that black colorway with a little bit of Castle Rock gray. And you have the 3MN on the side panel right here, the New Balance logo, that N, made in USA on the tongue. And you have USA right here on the heel and more 3M right here on the back of the heel tab. And this is that Absorb technology for the heel and then Absorb technology in the forefoot to give you that cushioning for miles. There's not much to say about them. It's a very simple shoe, very low key, very under the radar. There's something about them. I just really like them. I'm a huge fan. I love the comfort that the 990s provide me. So like I said, hopefully these provide similar comfort, if not more. Nothing too different from them other than just the shape of the midsole. And you got some pretty good traction here. You got this nice suede upper, pretty smooth, pretty buttery. A little bit of yellowing right here on the midsole just due to age. Right here on the Made in the USA tag, it shows 2013. So these might have, came out in 2013 and just were either sitting in the sun or just sitting in storage somewhere. We'll never know. I didn't ask the eBay seller that, but he did have 100% feedback. That's why I pulled the trigger with no hesitation. And you also have the 993 right here on the tongue as well. 993 in a metallic accent on the side here. And the USA hit, USA, undefeated. But yeah, man, enough about that. Let's go ahead and try these on. I like rushing through our New Balance episodes because pretty much after we're done, I get to wear them. So, hey, let's go ahead and try the shoe on. That was our signature on foot look. I know you guys love that. Now the 993s are very comfortable. There's a lot of cushioning in the forefoot. The only subtle difference that I noticed was It is a little bit more stiffer in the heel compared to the 990s, and that's probably due to the fact that it has a thicker, chunkier midsole. The benefit of that is it does provide a little bit more stability, a little bit more sturdiness and stableness, and I don't mind that at all. Now, as far as sizing goes, these are a 9.5. The 990s that I'm wearing right now are a 9.5, but for whatever reason, it could be the year that these were manufactured, there's not as much room in the toe box as there is in the 990s. The width on the shoe is D for regular, but my only complaint is I could use a little bit more room in the forefoot. The 990s have a little bit more room. Anyways, this is my new everyday shoe. Got them for 60 bucks, so I really can't complain. I kind of like the dirty yellow look to it, like they've just been sitting in someone's closet for years, ready to be worn by me. So this is my personal pair. Gonna throw these on right after we're done with this episode and probably go get some boba. The reason why I love the 990 series so much is that it's a very low-key shoe with a lot of comfort to it, but it still pairs well with a lot of outfits. So under the radar, you could pretty much wear it with anything. And I know these are in style right now. Even when these go out of style, if that ever happens, I'll still gladly wear a pair of 990s, any series, the 93s, the 91s, the 92s. It's the perfect dad shoe. It's the perfect everyday shoe. So if you haven't already, pick up a pair of 990s, a pair of 993s. You won't be disappointed. The way we talk about the 990s and the 993s, you would think New Balance is paying us to say these good things. But honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I love this shoe. New Balance, hit us up, man. We rock with y'all. But that's our episode for today. It's Shoot Your Shot TV. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We really appreciate it. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Shoot Your Shot Records, new music coming soon. As always, want to give a quick shout out to our affiliates, Good Rat Ugly and the Game Ball Podcast. Go ahead and give them a follow by clicking the links below, checking out their content. And Just Paul, that's me. Got some records on the way for you guys. Shoot Your Shot Records, Shoot Your Shot TV, 993s, New Balance, made in the USA, born in the USA, undefeated. Feel me? Catch you on the next one.